guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I welcome you. I'm going to be getting back to doing some unboxings for you guys and try-ons. I posted a poll over on Instagram with a picture of my Ipsy box and asking you guys if you were interested in the unboxings and try-on videos to come back, and all of you said yes, so here I am. I am excited to get back to these videos because I was subscribed to BOXYCHARM years ago and I was filming those unboxings and try-ons for you guys back then. I did unsubscribe for a while because I was already getting like overloaded with product and I wanted to make sure that none of it went to waste, and I wanted to get through each of them and enjoy them, you know, without wasting that or wasting money. But I am back to wanting to try on new products and reviewing things, and it's so funny because I subscribed. I told myself I already tried out BOXYCHARM, so why not do Ipsy? And it's hilarious because I had signed up for Ipsy like 2 months or 3 months before they made the change. So what they have now, it's Ipsy plus BOXYCHARM, so they came together. So I don't know, it just, BOXYCHARM is following me. So my box did come a little bit busted, but that's okay because everything inside was okay. I took everything out already, and it did come with like this little newsletter. This BOXYCHARM Ipsy for the month of July is the Great Escape. So it has like save the date type of things and like information on their shop and stuff. So I'm gonna put that back there and we're gonna get straight to the products. I did go ahead and keep all of my products. In previous Ipsy boxes, I have saved a few here and there just because I'm saving them maybe for gifts. I'm thinking like family members or friends for like when the holidays come around. So those have been kept to the side untouched and still brand new. This box, however, though, I decided to keep all of it because I know. So first things first, I'm going to talk about this one right here. This is the Biro New York Tea Time. It's an English breakfast tea treatment essence. Very interesting. So it is skincare. It says restore, plump, and moisturize. It says that it is a powerful treatment essence fortified with black tea and kombucha that effectively boosts skin barrier function, restores firmness and elasticity, and locks in moisture. The bottle is super cute. You are supposed to shake it because you can see if it's been sitting or standing for a while, this separation happens. But if you just shake it gently, it turns into this very beautiful like blush pink. It's like milky. It like almost makes me want to drink it, but no, you're not supposed to drink it. And it says just to add about 3 to 4 drops to your fingertips or your palm, and you just press it onto your face. To me, 3 to 4 drops seems like a little bit of amount. Honestly, I wanted to add more just because I feel like I just needed more, but it just say it's powerful, so I didn't want to like overuse it. I want to see how my skin reacts to it first, and I don't have sensitive skin, but of course you always want to like see how you react to it. And then I'm gonna follow the directions, 3 to 4 drops, and then if I feel that I can have just a teeny bit more, I think I would add a few more drops. And this is a big bottle. It's 4.05 fluid ounces, so it is pretty big, and I think it's gonna last me a long time. It does have a slight fragrance to it. On the ingredients, it does say fragrance listed as the very last ingredient, so I think that's the fragrance I'm picking up on. It's like floral. It's like a floral scent, almost like rose. I want to say very, very light though, but it does have that scent. But we'll see how this works on my skin. It's supposed to restore, plump, and moisturize. So I did apply this on a clean face, and then after this I did apply my moisturizer. So that's what I'm going to be using it for, and it says it is safe to use daily. Alright, next thing, it's another skincare product. This is the Skin Ink Supplement Bar, My Daily Dose of Vitamins A, B, and C. This is a balance and detox serum. It looks super cute. The bottle and the packaging, it just mesmerizes me. The little balls that it has inside, it's like so cute. This one I haven't tried out yet, however. As I'm speaking, I did want to try it out last night, but my battery was dead, so I couldn't, because I wanted to talk about it like right now. But I'm gonna have to try it out at night. I didn't want to do these two at the same time. I don't know why. It made sense in my head at that time when I was thinking about this. But I'm going to go ahead and try this tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip right now. Alright guys, it is nighttime. We're here to try out the Skin Ink Serum. I did already take on my makeup, I washed my face, and I did already apply my toner. So the next thing for me would be the serum, and then I would moisturize afterwards. So first, a little bit on this serum. Let me read what it says here. So it says, your daily dose of vitamin A, B, and C. Detox your skin from the damaging effects of time and pollution. This free radical fighting super serum is turbo powered with encapsulated vitamins A, B3+, and C, which are the the building blocks for healthy looking skin. Here it says A for anti-aging and anti-pollution, B for balance and boosting, C for Coco, and C for clarifying. So enough with the talking. I actually want to try it out now. So dude, I still can't get over how cute those like little bubble things are. Hey, ¿qué pasó, Coco? Hey. Okay, so the little balls, as soon as you put them on your face, they like she's playing with the box. I threw the box for her because she was all up in this space. The little balls do dissolve as soon as you press it onto your skin. I don't smell the scent on this one. It feels nice on the skin. It's not sticky at all. I've tried some other serums in the past and they're a little bit like tackier, a little bit sticky. This one is not sticky at all. If it really is as good as they say it is, then I should be expecting really good results on my skin. I feel like my skin has absorbed it. I have no complaints on this so far. I think my skin is going to do very well with it. So next thing I tried is this setting spray from Aceves. Oh, and I forgot to mention, oh, you see, it's been a long time that I filmed one of these. So with Ipsy BOXYCHARM, they choose 2 products for you and you get to choose the other 3. This one they chose for me. The first one, this little essence. The serum I actually picked out, so this was my choice. This thing, going back to the setting spray, we're back. This is another thing that I chose for myself, and because I think out of all the other choices, I wasn't really interested in the rest. And I mean, I can always use another setting spray. I've used the Morphe, I used the Urban Decay, and I feel like I could always have another one in my collection. And it does have a very strong scent to it, much more than the other ones that I've tried out. Like, it's not horribly unbearable, but it kind of reminds me of like hair product, like a hairspray almost, I want to say, which I don't know if that's a good thing, but it does have a strong scent to it. The way I like to use setting sprays is I actually like to do my concealer and foundation base, and then I'll go in with my setting spray, and then I'll put the powder over my setting spray. That's just my personal preference. It works for me, that's what works for my skin, so that's how I use it. And I don't use it every day. I use it just on like special occasions when I know I'm going to need my makeup to last just a little bit longer or whatever. So setting spray is not an everyday thing for me, but I do like to have it in my collection. So it looks like it's been holding up my makeup well so far. But again, the only thing about this is that it does have that strong scent. So it goes away, but I mean, of course, as you're spraying it, it's up in your face. And then next, probably, I don't know guys, I could be speaking ahead of myself, but the star of the show for me this month in my Ipsy, my favorite thing was this palette. This was chosen by Ipsy for me, so this wasn't a choice I had. Natasha Denona, do I even have to explain myself? The formulas that she has, it's wonderful. I really do enjoy it. So this one has 5 shadows. This brown right here is Mindful. Then we have Oro, gold, yeah. And then we have Carnelian, is that what it is? We have Acrobat, and then we have Morning. I did go ahead and try all of these out. I can tell you honestly, I love every single one of them. Oh, they did send me an email because this brown one, this one called Mindful, I think that's the one they were talking about, because they sent an email saying that one of these shadows are known to kind of fall out, that they're very sorry that if I receive my package and one of the shadows is broken or whatever, that there's a way to fix it, then they explain to you how to fix it. And then they also added like a little discount that you can go onto Natasha Denona's website and you get like a 10% off or something discount to recompensate for that broken shadow. But thankfully mine came intact. You can kind of see a little bit where it kind of wants to like break off, but I'm just gonna be very careful with it and to make sure that it's fine. I don't know if I'm gonna use my discount though for Natasha Denona, but I think it was very nice for them to know that one of the products might come broken and that they're trying to compensate for that loss with like a little discount. So I thought that was very nice. What I did is this look that I have on right now, absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of summer, sunset, it's beautiful. I went ahead and took the morning shade first, and it was actually more pigmented than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot more skin tone, but it came out a lot more peachy. So I applied that to my crease first, After that, I applied the middle shade, Carnelian, and I focused that more on the outer portions of my eye to deepen that up. After that, I went in with the gold for the rest of my eyelid, and absolutely stunning. So buttery, effortless. You don't have to like even try to get that pigment on. I love it. And then to give it just a little bit more dimension, I went in with that brown Mindful shade. I should have gotten a little bit less because I should have known it was very pigmented. So I did the brown and I blended it. The good thing about these shadows too is that they're very easy to blend. So I did the brown, blended it as best as I could, and then I went back with the Carnelian shade and then I put that on top of the brown again so I can like mix it because I wanted more of the orange. And then took the blue for my under eye. I'm speechless. I am so in love with this. And today I just did a very simple basic look, but I can definitely say that I can see myself doing many other looks using this, so I'm very excited. And last but not least, I did go ahead and pick out this lippy also. That choice was a little bit hard, and at first I did mention that I kept all of this to myself. My original plan, my original thought was I was going to give this lip color away to someone, like I was gonna save it for like a Christmas gift, but it came a little bit like kind of stuck to the top of this right here. The actual lipstick part was like off of this right here, so I had to like grab it and like put it on. So right then and there I was like, okay, I cannot give a broken product to someone, right? So I'll just keep it. So my intentions were to give at least one product a week to someone, but since it came broken I was like, oh well, oh I'm so sad, I'm gonna cry, it was meant for me. No, well yeah, I just don't want to be giving away broken products, so I kept it for me. And then yeah, as I was applying it, it was a little bit wiggly because it was detached from here, but it is cool that you can go up and down on it. But yeah, this lip crown from Reina Rebelde, this is in the shade Divina, and it says here that it's a rose nude shade. It definitely came out more rose on my skin tone, and I don't think this lip goes with the eyes, but for the sake of the video, this is together. After I got ready and everything, I needed a break because I was hungry, so I went to go eat, and now I'm back talking to you guys. But this is the lip after I ate, so not transfer proof, and it never says on the packaging that it is supposed to be transfer proof, but I like to just put it to the test. It is a lip crayon, so you do expect it for it to kind of come off, but I think that's not too bad for me eating. Oh sorry, I think you can still see food on my teeth. Ew. Sorry. It is a cute color, like I mentioned. Not with, I wouldn't wear this with the eyeshadow look that I made, but it is a very pretty color, and it's easy to throw around in your purse that you can reapply it whenever you want. And that is all for my Ipsy BOXYCHARM unboxing and try on. Let me know what you guys think of these products. Do you own any of these products? Or if you have questions on them, you can write down in the comments, and I'm more than happy to answer them for you. I do really love that I have two skincare here, because skincare we know can be very expensive. So I like receiving skincare in like these boxes. But just like I mentioned, that is all that I have in my box for you guys today. If you do enjoy these kinds of videos, or any kind of beauty related videos, or just vlogs, or every day, I do it all here on this channel. So if you do like that, please subscribe down below. If you're not yet, give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!